If you're looking for a modern place to relax during your holiday at Disneyland Paris, Staycity Aparthotels in Marne la Vallée is the perfect choice. Located only a 10-minute free shuttle ride from Disneyland Paris and a 35-minute drive from the centre of Paris, these apartments and villas are convenient and budget-friendly. Stay as a couple, solo, or with family and friends. There really are options here to suit every group. Travelling as a couple? The family studio provides more than enough space with a double bed and small living area. Need some more space for the kids? The family apartments have one double bedroom with a separate living and dining space and sofa beds that sleep up to 3 people. If you need even more space for the whole extended family, Staycity Aparthotels has 4 and 5 bedroom villas that can accommodate up to 16 people. These come complete with a full kitchen and living space and an outdoor dining area too. To make you feel right at home, each accommodation option features comforts such as a kitchen or kitchenette with a dishwasher and fridge, a flat-screen TV, iron and ironing board, complimentary toiletries, free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and more. Choose to have a filling buffet breakfast at the on-site restaurant, which can be included when you book with attractiontickets.com, or opt for a home-cooked meal in your very own kitchen. If you prefer a grab-and-go snack throughout the day, there's a cafe and a 24-hour shop that's stocked with everything you might need, from beer and wine to sweet treats and snacks. When you're not in the theme parks, there's plenty to keep you occupied at the Staycity Aparthotels, including an outdoor heated pool with a beautiful view, a fitness centre, arcade, and children's play area for the little ones to enjoy. Ready to stay minutes away from the magic at Disneyland Paris? Book your hotel and ticket package with attractiontickets.com.